Hi, good evening. My name is Deborah Evans, and today we're going to talk about hydrophilic and hydrophobic substances. I know it's a bit of a tongue twister. Just bear with me. So, today we're going to talk about hydrophilic first. Hydrophilic, the definition for hydrophilic means a tendency to mix. Let's get make it a little bit easier. It means it loves water. It's easier to mix with the water. So hydrophilic loves the water, right? Hydrophilic also has oxygen in it. Hydrophilic can be found in alcohols, acidic acids, and it dissolves without hesitation. It dissolves willingly. It doesn't put up a fight to dissolve. It dissolves with no problem. Like again, it loves the water. Now, let's go on to hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means to rebel, to fail to mix with water. Hydrophobic, the substance is found in oils and is also found in fats. For example, if you pour oil into water, you'll see the little bubble show up, right? The bubble show up, but it's away from the water. It's just alone. Like it failed to mix with each other. That's what hydrophobic is. But hydrophilic, remember, it loves water. So it doesn't give any problem when it's mixing. Hydrophobic is the one that doesn't love water. Also, hydrophobic molecules are non-polar, and it forms between two atoms that are equal. They have to have the same. So these two substances react differently. Again, hydrophobic loves water. Hydrophilic doesn't like water at all. It failed to mix properly.